Right, we're at a dog field in Norfolk. The customer's got 2 sites here they'd like to do. It's about 750 metres, and they wanted a material that was going to last them 25 plus years. So they've gone with a metal-based system. We've done some work with the Turner Pro Strain before, so gone with this with the new high post system. The netting's an R131928, which we've used on a few dog fields before, and it works really well with this eye post. The new eye post I quite like. The eye post, we've been able to strain it past, and then Joe's off stapling it. By the time I've gut pulled it and crimped it, we're all done. We've done 2 fields with the eye post now, and one was 350 metres, this one's 750, and I think it saved us a good day and a half on each. We've not been having to, 2 of us doing the same job. We can be split up. A huge time saving element. Also quite adaptable when we're driving them in. If you do have one that drives to failure, obviously you can cut them down. So another thing I like about the new post is because you can screw to them. We use them as a latching post for holding the gate post open. We can fit a cabin hook to them. We can also look to fit insulators and even rails to feel rail wings up to gate posts. So yeah, I really like the adaptability of it. It's much more like using a timber post on the line.